Good morning, Wiregrass Chris Rose, doing an attic inspection. When you do an attic inspection, you want to look at your framing to ensure that it meets its minimum capacities or load requirements. The orange piece of wood in front of you is a laminated beam that's intended to span an open area. We use these to make a kitchen larger or a living room larger. When we do our inspection, what we want to do is make sure that the load actually meets the wall. You can see that there's a white piece of wood right there. That white piece of wood is a scab wood that is connected to a rafter. As we can go around here, then you can see that the load wall is directly in front of you, and the laminated beam is about 7 inches too short. This is not the proper way to build, and would consider this area structurally deficient. We can help you with these items in the process of doing renovation evaluations or home inspections. Please give us a call.